Good day to you all. The lesson that I'm going to do with you all today is the last lesson by Alphonse Daudet. The lesson deals with the importance of our mother tongue. Our mother tongue is our identity, our freedom, and it helps us preserve our culture, customs, and traditions. It also emphasizes that the learning should never be postponed for. Otherwise, we all will be left feeling sorry for. And it also reflects the cruelty of war, which makes the victorious people not only arrogant but also extremely insensitive to the human feelings. On that particular morning, the narrator was running late for school, and so he was reluctant enough to attend classes, as he was given work on participles which he had failed to learn. So he was scared of being scolded by M. Hamel, his language teacher. But then he decided against and started running so he could reach there on time. As he was passing by the town hall, he found to his surprise that the people had gathered around the bulletin board. And he started wondering what this could be this time around, as all the bad news that had come over the last 2 years from that bulletin board alone. As he was running late, so he thought most probably he might be able to count on the usual early morning commotions to stealthily walk in the class without being noticed for. But to his utter surprise, what he found that the school was as quiet as it would be otherwise on any Sunday morning. As he walked in, instead of being scolded by, M. Hamel told him very kindly that they all were waiting for him alone. As he settled down, he found that all the village elders were also sitting along with the rest of the other students. What he heard next, he could not believe his own ears. M. Hamel told them that it was going to be the last lesson in French, as orders had come from Berlin that from the following day there would only be lessons in German. Those words of M. Hamel seemed to be thunderclap to his ears. How sorry he was for himself, as what kind of a French boy he would be. Someone who would never ever be able to speak in his own mother tongue, nor he would ever be able to write effectively in his own language. But then it was too late for him to realize all those things. He was only left repenting about and feeling sorry for. And that was when he realized why had all the village elders had come to attend the last lesson, as they too were feeling sorry for themselves for missing out on their opportunity to learn their mother tongue. And they had all come there to show their gratitude and thankfulness to M. Hamel for his 40 long years of faithful service. And then M. Hamel continued teaching them, as it seemed he wanted to teach them all what he knew in one day alone. He emphasized that how logical and interesting the French language could really be. And to his utter surprise, Franz found how easy, interesting, and engrossing his lessons could really be, as he had never ever been able to as attentive as he was there on that particular day in his class. But then it was too late for, even if he wanted, he could never ever be able to learn, as there won't ever be any more lessons any longer in French. Thank you.